how to quickly translate text with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera. After that, tap on the control button. Then tap on the settings icon. Now in here, we go to the top and tap on scanning. Then tap on scan text. Make sure the toggle button is switched on. Then we go back to camera. Now point the camera at a subject. Make sure you select photo mode. Then point the camera at a piece of text that you would like to translate. Here, tap on the text button at the bottom corner. Then select the piece of text that you want to translate. Now you can choose everything. So you can select everything, or you can select certain part of the text. Okay, after that, tap on the translate button. Go down to the bottom and view the translated text. If you want to change the language, go to the top here and tap on add languages. In here, you can select a language that you want to use. You may need to download them first before you can use it. Okay, so we select the language. And then you will be able to view that translated text in that particular language. And that's it. After that, you can copy it to the clipboard if you need to, or you can share it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.